My poor Boxycharm looks like it went through some really tough times. Got the email saying I was supposed to arrive yesterday, and no, it actually got rescheduled for today, but it's still much earlier than last month, so I'm really excited. March 2021 Boxycharm's Base Box, $25 a month. You get 5 full-size items. You can cancel at anytime, and they also have premium boxes, which is a little bit more. You get more products, but this is like the lowest it starts. We're gonna open it up. I will leave a link in the description just in case you're interested. No, maybe I'm going crazy, okay, but I feel like this month is a little bit bigger. And before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. This month I did not see any unboxings for Boxycharm. I don't know, I was so busy. I had problems with the internet. So Boxycharm Lucky, here you go. I forgot this month is St. Patrick's Day. It does tell you all the products you're getting and the prices. So let's start with our first item. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this first product here. This is the first thing I pulled out. This is the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. Hydrating, plumping, nourishing. Brings 3 pairs. I've never tried anything from this brand. It says this is cruelty-free and vegan. Retails for $18. These nourishing avocado and green tea infused eye patches will hydrate and depuff your tired eyes. Avocado moisturizes and targets dry skin, while the green tea energizes and depuffs your under eyes. I think I'm gonna leave it for a giveaway. On to the next thing. What do we have here? This box was really heavy. Ooh, cool. Here we go. We have a setting spray. Even Beauty, never heard of it. I like to receive brands that I know, but I also like to try new brands. Rose water setting spray. Okay, this I'm really excited about. I love rose water. And a setting spray. Let's see what this does. Set your intentions, your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. This retails for $22, and this is a 3.38 ounce. Can't tell you how happy I am for a setting spray. The packaging looks fun. It doesn't feel like anything fancy, but it's fun. I like the color. And let's spray some on to see. Made in the USA, vegan. Close your eyes. Mist evenly 8 to 10 inches away from face. So I can't wait to smell this. I'll definitely have to use it for a while and then do a review on it. So I'm going to close my eyes. Okay, it doesn't smell like anything special, just your regular setting spray. Maybe it smells like rose water. I'm just so used to like the Mario Badescu rose water. I don't know if I'm thinking of that or of a regular spray. I will have to test this out. I have very oily skin, so I want to see if this really will help my makeup stay on longer. A lip oil. Okay. I have this from the brand, is it Cab oil? Let's see what it says. I don't die for lip oils. If you guys know, I like lip balms, maybe lip glosses. Oh, this is pretty. But you know what? I'm gonna do a giveaway for this too. I have several things now for a giveaway. I'll probably wait to add some more, but this is so pretty. Die for the packaging. It's a huge amount. Cab Cosmetics. Say goodbye to dirty and thirsty, and say hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky, oh that's so important, instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. This retails for $20. I don't know about this box. What is this? Ooh. I have something here from Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. I don't know how good this will be for my skin type. I will have to read. So look at this. It's cute. I love the bananas. A soothing lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. I hope so. It's non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic. Are you serious? Because you're making me happy. I really hope so, because my pores will get clogged so easily, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. It's your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. Since you're telling me that I'm not gonna break out from this, I'm interested to see. Oh my god, I die for packaging. Oh my god, oh my god. I can't tell you how excited I am right now. This is so pretty. Oh my god, this is cute. Sorry, I get too excited. Calming and hydrating. So I want to open it up. I want to see if it really smells like bananas. Or they didn't say it would, but I'm just thinking. $39 this retail for. I'll do a review on this. Trust me, I will do a dedicated review on this to see did it break me out, how oily did I feel. Okay, so it has a seal. I was gonna say, what is that? It has a seal. Okay, here you go. I can't really tell how it smells, but I'll do a dedicated review on this. I don't want to spend too much time in one item, but I have to say this is something that I'm really excited for, maybe the most of this whole box. Right now, what I'm most excited about is these two things. Again, what I'm seeing is a lot of skincare. I don't know what's up with that. We have a palette here. This one is from Lime Crime. It's been a long time since I don't use Lime Crime. It's the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. This palette is filled with rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthy brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. This retails for $38. Alright, the packaging is gorgeous. Feels really bulky, but if you don't care about those things, but yeah, it feels really bulky. It's just great. Venus, the goddess of love. Oh, it's cute. So the only downfall I'll say is just that I don't see any reason for this to have been this bulky. It does come with a protected film. This is made in the USA, cruelty-free and vegan. The colors are really nice if you love purple. I'll definitely do several looks with this. I love, love, love the colors in this palette, so I'm thankful for that. I love the packaging here. This is beautiful. So I will do at least several looks with this, doing some swatches. Please subscribe if you haven't, because I always do dedicated reviews on the products that I am keeping. This is $38. I'm gonna add all of this up and tell you how much did we get for $25. 38, 39, 22, 20, and 18. So a total of $137 for $25. So that was pretty good. Again, last month it was like a lot of skincare. This month you're giving me a lot of skincare too. Is that what's happening with your box? I don't know. Thinking of maybe getting Ipsy again, but the $25 one instead of the small one. I don't know. It all depends if I have the funds for that. These were my two favorites. This is my number one. Gorgeous. Die for it. So beautiful. And then this, yeah, I'll definitely get use out of this. I haven't bought a new setting spray in forever. I'm excited to try this brand. And this, really cute, really nice colors. These two items are going for a giveaway. I have something else from last month's Boxycharm that's also going for a giveaway. If I hadn't received this, I would have been a little disappointed, but this like made it all up. I don't know, if you're not into skincare like that, you must be like, really, what in the world did you send me? Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you liked your box for this month. Were you disappointed? I'll leave a playlist of all my other unboxings in the comments, in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.